Hello, this is a tutorial for my small and nice Lego puzzle box, I think. So, 6x4 base plate, and then bricks around, 1 bricks, you know what I mean. And you take 2x4, you can take, or just 1 brick, one these, it's the same. And then you put maybe a 3x1 smooth, or 1x1 and 2x1. Do that twice and put the other here. Then a 1x4 and a 1x4 smooth here. And on the other side, put a 1x4, but you put a 2x2 smooth here, 1x1 and 1x2. Then you put on like this, 4x2, 4x2, 2x2, and 1x2. So make a kind of a hole like this. So a 6x4 with a 2x1 hole here, and then smooth pieces on top. And under you'll put one of these 2 1x1s and put them in the corners here, like that. And take a 2x1 and smooth pieces all around except here, so you can put something on top here. I put this kind of, something. Then you 2x1 with a 1x1 smooth, and a 3x1 corner with 2x1 smooth. Put the corner on top of the other like this, and then 1x1 brick like this. And slide it in. Slide it now this, or like this. No, like this. And when it's like that, you just put it symmetrical with the other. So when you slide, it slides. So you open, unlock it, and then you push it down. Well, like this. And then here you go.